Hello everybody, I am Samuel15, the Dragon Teamer here, and welcome to Pokemon TCG Online. Today we're actually doing a little different than what I usually do. Normally I just get you right into the game, but first, we're going to open some packs. I opened a bunch of packs yesterday as part of my channel on real life packs anyway. So we're going to open some online packs, the codes I got from them. And there's a bunch of people bugging me like, hey, can I have your codes? No! I already used them, so meh. I'm being childish, but whatever. I have 48 packs, so let's just get right into them. Oh, honestly, the first pack I can get just a bunch. Ooh, sweet! Right off the bat, I have Pokemon Fan Club. I already have a bunch of these. Not a bunch, just I already have one in real life. So, let's see. What is this? Oh, Fletchling. Alright, we got a Lysandre. That was nice. That was a pretty good pack. Let's see. Fiery Torch, Scraggy, Sandile, Kurokorok. Let's see. Oh, great. We have Florges and a bunch of other stuff. We have Torkoal, Meowstic, and Pokemon Center Lady. Melodic, Reverse Foil, Gummy's sweet. So this thing might actually just like trading for a bunch of them, but trading these away just for the stuff I needed, but this is a lot more exciting and more fun anyway. Yes, I said more fun. Judge me. Go ahead. I don't care. Ooh, sweet. A Charizard EX. No. But yeah, we have a Charizard EX. Sorry, I was busy for a minute. Ooh, sweet. A reverse foil Blacksmith. Alright. No more getting distracted. Helioptile, Sneasel, Furfrou, reverse foil Shinx, Walrein. Alright. Nothing really here. Another reverse foil Milotic. Milotic. Reverse foil Florges. I'm getting a lot of Lysandre. If I have more than 4 of a Pokemon, I'm just gonna trade it. So I have more than 4 Lysandre, then I'm definitely gonna trade them away. I only got 2 in real life, to be honest. I'm actually technically I got like 3 because I got a full art and a pre-release. But yeah. Ah, sweet! A secret rare! Awesome! I'm trading this away for 6 packs. Actually, how do you know how much of these are going for online? Not really worth them that much online because, I don't know. They are secret rares, but no one plays this card, so I'm gonna try to see how much people are like getting for it. Or trading away for. I'll go from there. Probably gonna try to trade away for 6 or 8 packs. Ah, sweet! Another secret rare. Okay, this I could actually trade away. Ah, that is nice. Ah, that is sexy. Whew. I'm telling you this for the other Charizard. 2 secret rares, only online. Oh, that is sexy. Wow. And I can tell those are secret rare because of their more gold than silver. Nothing good was good in that last pack, nothing good in this pack. Another Charizard Fuller EX. We do have a reverse foil Fluid, the nice ability. That's nice. Oh, we have another Lysandre. Holy. How many Lysandre? I have 4 exactly now. If I get any more, they're definitely up for trade. Probably gonna do like 1 for 2. Normally I like to open a bunch of packs and the rest of the packs, anything I get, I just trade away with an Ultra Raw and a Secret Etch and a Kangaskhan EX. Not the secret rare, but this is also trade away. Probably trading them for 3 or 4. How bad. My fifth Lysandre. 2 Fiery Torch. 3 Trick Shovel. Heal Up Tile. Magnetic Field. Yeah. Another fire. Ooh, sweet. My 6th Lysandre. I think that was. I don't even know what was in that last pack. A Shiftry, that's nice. Pokemon Center Lady and another Floaday with a nice ability. Yes, that is a rare because of its nice ability. Another. How many of these things I have? I have 2 of them now. I also have a reverse foil one. We're almost done. How many of these things do I have? 7 Lysandre. Holy crud. I can only assume these things are going to go for a bunch of stuff. Ooh, sweet, a Goodra. That's nice. I think my 8th Lysandre right there. Should have looked at the pack more, but oh well. Starling Megaphone. Another one's always nice. Sweet, a Drudagon. This is actually what I wanted to pull. Awesome. I want to get a few more. Or at least one more, honestly. My 5th Blacksmith. My 6th Pile Pad. Yeah, I'm definitely trading some of this stuff away after I'm done with this. High War. I don't need this, so I'm going to trade this away for like 3 or 4 packs. I'm going to do 3. Full Art Lysandre. That's nice. I'll probably keep it because I like Full Art supporters and all. This is actually technically my 9th Lysandre. That's funny. My 5th Protect Cube. Full Art Kangaskhan EX. Goodra. My second Ultra Ball. I want to get one more Ultra Ball before this is done. Another Full Art. I got another one. Thank you, Pokemon gods. Thank you, Lord Arceus. Sweet, another card Bink. That's nice to have, I guess. First foil Canopy. Only 2 more packs. Ooh, sweet, the dragon one. This isn't exactly what I wanted. I want to go with the gold water, but this will do. It'll do. Did I even pull a Goot? No, it was my first Sliggoo. That's funny. First foil train. Pokemon Fan Club, and my Dusknoir, and that's everything. Wait, these? Oh, I'm trading these away. Trying to get some more cards, but thank you everybody. I am Sammy15 the Dragon Tamer, and tell me what you thought. Please like, subscribe, and all that nonsense, and I'll see you guys next time.